In this video, we'll look into how you can evaluate if SQL Spreads is the right choice for you to update your data in SQL Server. We'll look into how to get started with the free trial, the different roles a user can have, and lastly, go through purchasing and licensing of SQL Spreads. You can evaluate SQL Spreads for free using the 14-day trial that you can download from the SQL Spreads website. The trial will give you access to all of the product features with a time limitation only. SQL Spreads comes in 3 different plans: Basic, Pro, and Premium. When you install SQL Spreads, the trial will be set to the Pro plan. To use another plan when evaluating SQL Spreads, go to the About dialog and click the Switch Trial to Another Plan button. To see what is included in each plan, you can click this link to get to the pricing page and compare the different plans. The Document Designer and Data Editor roles. SQL Spreads users can have one of 2 different user roles: Document Designer or Data Editor. The Document Designers are users who connect Excel documents to SQL Server, select which tables to load, and which data the user should be able to update. The Data Editors are the end user who update the data in SQL Server. Data Editors update data in SQL Server using documents that a designer has created and has all the design features locked down. The benefit of these 2 roles is that a more technical person can create and maintain Excel documents that non-technical users use to update the data in SQL Server. SQL Spreads comes in 3 different subscription plans: Basic, Pro, and Premium. For larger installations with more than 100 users, we also offer an Enterprise plan. You can compare the different plans and see all the details on our pricing page. SQL Spreads is licensed per seat, and there are different priced licenses for the Document Designers and Data Editors roles. You can purchase SQL Spreads online from our website. Click the Purchase button and select the number of designers and editors you'll need. Then click the Proceed to Checkout to fill out your details and pay by credit card. To pay by invoice or to get a price quote, please contact us using the contact form or send us an email at sales@sqlspreads.com. We have an extensive knowledge base which you can reach from the SQL Spreads tab in Excel or from the SQL Spreads website. If you need any help during your evaluation, feel free to contact our support. In this video, we've looked into how you can evaluate SQL Spreads using the free SQL Spreads trial. We've also looked into the different roles in SQL Spreads and how to purchase SQL Spreads.